Welcome back. Today we are going to show you the performance of one of the most powerful EA Quantum Emperor. It is optimized to trade the Forex major pair GBPUSD on H1 timeframe. It requires minimum deposit of just $1,000 to get started. Its original price is $999. Forex EA is offering it for only $25. Do not miss this incredible opportunity. Let's check its live results. Quantum Emperor has demonstrated growth of 434%, with drawdown of only 24%. 92% trades closed in profit. Now we will run it in MT4. Contact us on Telegram for further details.